Your back seat feels like an oven during summer drives, and your passengers are constantly complaining about the blazing sun hitting them directly through that rear window. You've probably tried cheap solutions that either fall off constantly or block your view completely. Keep watching to discover how these 5 rear window sunshades can solve your overheating problem without breaking the bank. Don't forget to check the description for links to all products mentioned today. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5, this Pincuttee option claims to offer 97% sun protection with its mesh design. The dual suction cup system sounds promising on paper, and the price point definitely catches your attention when you're browsing through options. Actually, the installation process is straightforward enough. You just stick the suction cups to your window and you're done. No adhesive residue to worry about, which is nice. The mesh material does allow you to maintain some visibility through your rear window, though it's not crystal clear. If you need to store it, the sunshade folds into a compact circle thanks to its pop-up design. You can easily tuck it into your glove compartment or between seats when not in use. The universal sizing covers most vehicles, measuring 39.4 by 19.6 inches for the rear window version. Here's the thing about this product. The suction cups are its biggest weakness. Many users report that they simply don't stay attached for very long, which defeats the entire purpose. And the sizing can be problematic, with several people finding it too large for their specific vehicle. Things to consider. The build quality feels cheap according to user feedback, and you'll likely find yourself constantly reattaching those suction cups. The screen material isn't the most durable, so don't expect it to last through multiple seasons of heavy use. Moving on to number 4, the ZATOOTO Sunshade takes a different approach with its screw nut pull suction mechanism. This design aims to solve the common problem of suction cups falling off randomly, which honestly sounds like a step in the right direction. The installation involves 3 steps. Press the suction cup against glass, replace the air pressure cap, then screw the nut to squeeze out internal air. It's more complex than simple suction cups, but the extra effort might be worth it if it actually stays put. Because this shade uses lightweight UV guard mesh, you maintain visibility while getting sun protection. The company offers 2 sizes, small at 39.4 by 19.7 inches and large at 43.3 by 23.6 inches. Make sure you measure your rear window before ordering, because getting the wrong size is frustrating. You know what's interesting about this one? Customer feedback is genuinely mixed on the suction performance. Some people love how well it adheres, while others still experience the falling off problem. The UV blocking does work effectively, and it does help keep your car cooler during hot days. Things to consider. The sizing can be tricky. Some users find it too large for their SUVs. The magnetic components aren't as strong as they could be, and the screw mechanism, while innovative, adds complexity that some people find annoying during quick installations. At number 3, this Moly Magnolia option promises over 97% UV protection with its durable mesh construction. The pop-up design makes storage convenient, and the price sits in that sweet spot where it's not the cheapest, but not expensive either. The suction cup system here is pretty standard. You stick them to your window and hope they stay. The company does offer a helpful tip. Soak the suction cups in water before use for better adhesion. When they inevitably come loose after sun exposure, just wet them again and reapply. Absolutely, the folding mechanism works well. You can twist and fold this sunshade into a compact size that fits almost anywhere in your vehicle. The 39.37 by 19.69-inch dimensions should work for most cars, SUVs, and minivans. If you're looking for basic sun blocking, this one delivers. The mesh material does reduce glare and heat while maintaining some rear visibility. The installation is simple enough that anyone can handle it without tools or complicated instructions. I do appreciate that the company acknowledges the suction cup limitations up front and provides solutions. However, the fundamental problem remains. You're still dealing with suction cups that require maintenance and reapplication. Things to consider. Users consistently complain about the suction cups being flimsy and unreliable. The shade tends to fall off regularly, and some find the size too small for their specific vehicle. The overall build quality feels cheaper than expected. Coming in at number 2, the EcoNour Sunshade steps up the game with its 80 GSM protective mesh that's denser than most competitors. The 99% sun protection claim is bold, and the dual suction cup design attempts to provide better stability. The 39 by 19-inch sizing fits most rear windshields, though you should definitely measure first. EcoNour offers two size variants, so you have options if the standard size doesn't work for your vehicle. The mesh design maintains your rear view better than solid sunshades. Installation follows the familiar suction cup method, but the enhanced mesh material does feel more substantial than cheaper alternatives. When you're ready to store it, the pop-up design folds into a small circle with an elastic band to keep it compact. Actually, this sunshade does an excellent job at sun blocking. Users consistently report that it keeps heat out effectively and reduces glare significantly. The mesh quality is noticeably better than budget options, though it's still not premium material. You don't get the view blocking problem that some solid sunshades create, which is important for safety. The sun protection is genuinely effective, making those hot summer drives more comfortable for rear passengers. Things to consider. The suction cups still don't adhere properly to glass, which is disappointing at this price point. Some users find it too large for their windows, and the build quality, while better than cheaper options, still feels somewhat cheap overall. Taking the top spot, this ICLOVER sunshade ditches problematic suction cups entirely for a magnetic adsorption system. This design choice immediately sets it apart from every other rear window sunshade on the market today. The installation uses two strong circular magnets that stick to your window glass through an iron sheet with 3M adhesive. You place the frame on the lower part of your window and use your car's sun visor to help secure it. No more dealing with suction cups that fall off at the worst possible moments. Because it uses 80 GSM protective lightweight UV guard mesh, you get 99% UV protection while maintaining rear visibility. The 39 by 20-inch size fits most sedans, SUVs, MPVs, and trucks. The pop-up design folds into a compact pouch for easy storage. Keep in mind that this magnetic system works differently than traditional suction cups. The magnets provide consistent holding power that doesn't weaken with temperature changes or time. You won't find yourself constantly reattaching it like other options. The mesh material blocks harmful UV rays and reduces heat buildup without completely obscuring your rear view. For families taking long trips, this combination of reliability and effectiveness makes it worth the investment. Things to consider. The magnetic system does completely obscure rear window visibility more than mesh-only designs. Some users find the 39-inch width too large for their specific vehicle, and the build quality, while better than suction cup alternatives, still feels somewhat basic for the price point. There you have it, 5 rear window sunshades that tackle different aspects of sun protection. The ICLOVER takes our top recommendation for solving the attachment reliability problem that affects most alternatives. Like this video if it helped you choose the right sunshade. Subscribe for more automotive accessory reviews, and check the description for product links.